Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Veronica from MPL Stay Home Cinema, where we bring you weekly Canopy recommendations. This week, I'm going to bring you some recommendations from Lark Branch staff. Let's go take a look.
Today we have two film recommendations from Sean and Esther at our Lark Branch Library. Let's start with Sean's Canopy recommendation. He Walked by Night. This is a classic black and white film by filmmaker Alfred L. Worker, set in post-World War II Los Angeles. So what did you like about this film? This is a 1948 thriller about the LA police looking for a criminal. I thought Richard Basehart was really good as the criminal. The film's look at the process of police work from so long ago was interesting. Sean. Here are a few similar titles to He Walked by Night: The Stranger, Scarlet Street, Kansas City Confidential, and The Trial, all available on Canopy. Moving on to Esther's recommendation. A Man Called Ove. This is a foreign Swedish film based on the best-selling novel by Fredrik Backman. How would you describe the main character in this film? Ove is a grumpy old man who has given up on life and looks for ways to end it. He appears to be antisocial at the first, but there is more to him than that. Ove comes back to life as his neighbors next door share life with him. They grow to love him and he learns to love them back. It was great to see what happens when people are there for each other. Esther. Again, here are some similar titles to this film: Word of God, A Street Cat Named Bob, and Don't Talk to Irene. I just want to mention that A Street Cat Named Bob is based on the international best-selling book by the same title from James Bowen, and it was the winner of the Best British Film at the National British Film Awards, UK. A special thanks to all of our staff from our 3 branch locations, Maine, Palmview, and Lark, that have recommended films to our Canopy viewers. This is video number 13 of Stay Home Cinema, so don't forget that you can always go check out other Canopy recommendations on our previous Stay Home Cinema videos. And like always, keep watching on Canopy.